What's up, guys? Welcome to Pine Ocean Capital. Today I'm going to do a market recap of today's trades. So instead of doing a blog, I'm going to just go through the trades of everything I did today on my watch list. So we'll start off with all the trades I was watching today. This is my watch list today, this afternoon. At 12 midday, obviously this is GMT time. I'm based in London, so 2 hours before the market open. So these were on my watch list, these stocks. So I'm going to go through each one of them and with my notes so you can see exactly what I'm looking for and see how they played out. So we'll start off with the first one, MFGP. This one was gapping down 6 points on weak guidance and earnings this morning. My notes were I wanted to see a nice pull at the open for a quick 1 point bounce, and if we popped hard, I want to just fade the stock all day. So let's open up the chart. And MFGP. Okay, MFGP, right. Here we go. So yesterday's close, gapping down approximately 6 points. This is the pre-market. There wasn't much volume in this. So at the open, I wanted to see a nice pull and go long for a point bounce. As you can see, we opened and straight surged up for a quick almost 80 cents. This was light in volume. Didn't quite give us the pull I wanted. But it still bounced, and as you can see, it's flat all day now. So this one was not bad trade. Could have been aggressive and took a quick long on here on profit taking for 50 cents for quick on around 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes for a quick 50-cent bounce. That was the first one. Nothing special there. Next one was XNET. This was gapping down, and this is another Bitcoin related stock. So plan on this was I wanted to see a nice pop at the open and then fade it. XNET tends to fill their gaps. So just bring up XNET. This will be a quick video, so rather than writing the blog, I want to just you guys to see on the chart. As you can see, previous day close was gapping down, and kind of towards after midday we started to pop in pre-market. As you can see, we kind of regained and went green on the day. So at the open, straight surge up. This is a nice little pop. I like to see this, and a quick point to the downside. So this was a good short. Nice little play. It was gapping up on no news. Just another Bitcoin related stock. So quick pop, fade it, and then quick profits on this one. So this one worked out well. Next one was MZOR. This was gapping up 3 points on earnings, as you can see my notes. On this, I wanted to see a nice pop followed by a nice short on profit taking. If we pull hard, play the bounce. So MZOR. In my opinion, this was gapping up way too much. So let's bring up the chart. As you can see, from 57 was opening around 60. Well, we gapped up to a high of 63. So this is a huge gap up. I think it was, in my opinion, way too extended, and open we just kind of just faded. Didn't even have a chance to pop. It looked so weak. So a brilliant short in here. Feels aggressive. Pre-market lows, beautiful, flushed. This was a nice play. I mean, if we popped a little and then short, would have been even fantastic. More like a better trade would have been even better. But as you can see, 61 didn't even hold, and this was a nice 3 point gap fill. So this was a beautiful trade. MZOR. Next one was LITB. This was announced Bitcoin as a payment low, any pop fader. So this was another nonsense. Just a stock that's just been run, but it's just silly Bitcoin press releases. Most of these stocks last week were gapping up on Bitcoin press releases, which was really stupid. As you can see, from 240s to 440. This was a cheap stock, and I said any pop at the open, just kill it. And as you can see, just straight flush. Didn't get a chance to pop. So could have made a nice 6 to 7 cents on the short side. Very fast, good trade with size, knowing that this is nonsense. So this was a beautiful short LITB. Nice volume as well to open in here. Next one was KSS. I think this was the play of the day. This one raised outlook profits for the upcoming year, and it was gapping up 4 points. I said any pop to fade this stock. So let's have a look at KSS. As you can see, previous day closed 54, was opening up around 6, well, almost 60 in pre-market, gapping up almost 5 points. Any pop faded up, way up too much in my opinion. Look at the volume. Market opens, popped 59, rejection, and a hard collapse as expected and profit taking. So this dropped almost 3 points. 59 if you got in around this area, averaged scaling in. 59, I mean, you've got a nice 3 point drop in 15 minutes. So this was a beautiful short. KSS. Next one, APPN. This was a downgrade from Barclays, so the stock got downgraded at Barclays. Stock was gapping down 2.5 points. Any hard, my notes were any hard pull, played a bounce. If we popped hard to 39, all day fader. And let's have a look at APPN. Previous day closed, gapping down pre-market. Any pop at the open towards 39 plus, short. What did we hit? 39.40. I mean, this was an unbelievable trade. We gap filled and just collapsed. Beautiful short. Little pop at the open, faded. Got downgraded by Barclays. Downgrade. So guys, this, if you got in at 39, you've dropped. Excuse me. You've got 6 points in about 15 minutes. Ridiculous. This is a crazy short. APPN. Beautiful pop. Short. Kind of got a pop just before the open. You can see this surge up on green candle, and then open, little pop 39, failed the opening price, open, and yeah, the rest is history. So that was an unbelievable trade in APPN. The next one I was watching was Edit. This was gapping off 3.5 points. Not sure what the news was. Didn't quite see any news on this. Tried to check Twitter and stuff. So this was down 3.5 points. I've traded this in the past, and I know there's a lot of range in Edit. Plan was I wanted to see a nice pop to 31 plus and a hard fade. If we pull hard at the open, play the bounce, the usual routine. Let's open up Edit. Here we go. So previous day closed, gapping down almost 3 points. Open, slight pull, little bounce play. So you could have gotten in right here. Little pull, go long, quick 60-cent bounce, and then after this bounce, like it got rejected. Short, all day short. Quick 2 point drop. Breaks the current day low, and we're off. So you could have played this both sides. Beautiful little pop fade, or you could have just been aggressive and took the little 60-70 cent profit right open on a little pull. Another great trade. So this was a beautiful little pop fade, 2 points, go to sleep. STX, this one came up towards the open on our scanners. STX was surging up plus 5 points before the bell, as you can see. Another cryptocurrency related stock, up way too much. So I said any pop at the open faded. It's up, in my opinion, way too much. STX, let's have a look at STX chart. Have a look at this. From 42, 43, we had a huge squeeze in pre-market towards 50, 75 was a topping on it. Market opens, little pop, fade. Usual routine. Another easy trade. Up way too much. Just profit taking, guys. Little pop faded, 2 points, done for the day. Next one, ALDR. This was a 5-cent ticker. Some of you may not know what that means, but it moves in 5-cent increments, so it's more volatile. This was a cheap stock, $15 and $16 stock. It had good news, meets phase 3 primary endpoint. So I like the news, but I think we're way up. I think we are way too much. Gapping up too much, up 3 points. Any pop at the open, I think we see some profit taken on it. If we pull hard, play the bounce. ALDR. Let's have a look at this one. ALDR. Let's see how this one played out. You can see we closed at 13 yesterday. On Friday, gapping up almost 3 points. Pop to 16, rejection. Try to test 16 again, rejection. Short. Up way too much. Quick 2 points. I mean, you could have played this with size. These stocks you can play with size, very predictable. Another fantastic trade. 20 minute, 25 minute, you're done. Quick 1.5 to done for the day. Next one, last one, WATT, Watt. So we know the stock, quite familiar. I traded this last week. We know this is volatile stock. Today was gapping up 2 points. It announced first 2 consumer products available. So announced their products were available today. Yeah, again, I want to see a nice pop it open towards 25 plus, then a nice sell off and profit taking. If we pull, watch the bounce play. Let's see how this one turned out. WATT. Market opens. So you can see it was in here Friday, 22-ish, gapping up 2 points. I wanted to see this. Here's the open, right? So got a pre-market high in here. So I wanted to see this pop towards pre-market highs, potentially 25 plus, break it, and then fades for a quick point and a half. We didn't get that. It was a straight profit taking at the open. So we pulled, kind of bottomed out at 23.50-ish. You can see right in here. The money started coming in, and bingo. As soon as this candle broke this little high here, we knew it was in for a treat. Break of the opening price. This is your jackpot entry, and go along for a quick 2 points. So this was a beautiful scalp on the way up. Look at the volume. Volume kicked in as soon as we broke the opening price. A little red to green move, beautiful. That was it, guys. That was the main plays. Today was another busy morning. We are in January, so it's going to be plenty of plays coming up. There's a lot of earnings this week. A lot of the banks are releasing their earnings, JP Morgan, and some others. So we've got a lot of stuff, but it was a beautiful start to the week. It's only Monday. I personally took STX trades, this one. I got in, I believe, at 40. I think I got in around 49 average, 49.20. Around as soon as we kind of popped and started to fail, I got in right in here for a nice little drop. I remember, guys, like I was watching around how many stocks? 2, 4, 6. I was watching 10 stocks today. I've got the right setup, obviously. 10 charts open. It's literally pick one and stick to it. I mean, you can't trade all of these at the same time. You pick the trades, stocks that will suit your account balance, the price range with stocks. You can't be trading everything at the same time, because these plays are very quick right at open. They'll produce the opportunity, and minutes later you're too late. You can't chase these trades. So when the right criteria meets, which I teach you guys in my one-on-ones on Saturday, on the weekends, if you're interested, email me, message me, info@pineoceancapital.com, or just visit my site for more information on what I go through. If you want to learn how I find these setups, what I look for in the morning, what the news is, how I read the news, how I play the earnings, what I look for on the technical side of things, and just to go through, I'll show you everything I do each morning, and you know, if you're having consistency issues, if you want to learn, you know, have a proper trading mindset, trade like a pro. I've been through there, and gain some proper experience, not to be trading this penny stock stuff and, you know, not see results consistently. So this is the aim of this game, to be consistent and to grow and to learn, not to be a sheep. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to upload this on YouTube hopefully also a bit later. This will go on my website, on my blog. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel also. I'll put a link underneath. And thanks for watching. I hope you guys traded safe today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully I might do another video. I'm not too sure. We'll see if I'm running out of time, if I've got time. So yeah, guys, thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon.